WineHow.
Everything needs prior planning. So today let's see how wine tasting is planned. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Before choosing bottles, I guess we will choose proper room for degustation. Nah, this space isn't suitable. The ventilation is poor and will run into olfactory cross-contamination. Let's check next one. Nah, this place is so big. The space is so vast that it causes sensory dilution, making it impossible to focus on the wine's delicate aromas. Wow, this is exactly what we have been looking for. Size of this room is perfect for wine tasting. Next factor, lighting. If the room is too bright, it washes out the wine, making it impossible to accurately judge color, hue, and clarity. But if a room is too dark, it makes technical analysis impossible. You can't judge turbidity or color density, meaning you lose the visual data needed to identify the wine's technology, from filtration and extraction to its true age. Finally, perfect lighting. Let's move on to the second most important factor in wine degustation, the room temperature. Ideally, the tasting room should be maintained at a steady 18 degrees Celsius to ensure both guest comfort and the integrity of the wine. Temperatures lower than 12 degrees Celsius inhibit volatile aromatic compound release, while higher than 20 degrees Celsius increase ethanol evaporation, causing aggressive, musk nuances and hot structural imbalances. Beyond temperature, the environment must be scent neutral. Extraneous fragrances like perfume or cleaning agents compete for your olfactory processing, masking the wine's nuanced bouquet and hindering accurate sensory evaluation. Before a tasting, you must eliminate sensory interference like strong perfumes, cigarettes, sweets, or coffee. These substances cause sensory adaptation or fatigue, which numbs your olfactory receptors and distorts your palate. To accurately analyze a wine's chemical structure, your senses must be completely neutral. Last but not least, the sequence in which you taste your wines determines whether you fully experience their complexity or simply dull your palate to them. Thanks for watching. Your subscription helps us grow and keep creating content you love.
WineHow.